Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money on Opay without referring anybody. I mean without referring anybody. You can actually be making between 10,000 naira to even 40,000 naira every single month from Opay if you follow the simple instruction I'm going to be sharing with you on in this particular video. So if you want to get to know how you can actually make money from OP without referring anybody, just make sure you watch this video through to the very end. And welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Chidi Finance, and all I do is I create video content about how you can actually make money online and how you can actually live a comfortable life from your smartphone by just using your smartphone and following simple instructions. So if you're interested, you want to learn more about how you can actually make money for yourself, just make sure you like this video and also make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified once I release more videos about topics like this. So let's get into the video about how you can actually make money for yourself with an OP with just your OP, right? With your OP app without referring anybody. So sorry for that. So this is my OP account. This is my OP account. You can see hello Chidibubi. You can see this is my account. I have a balance of 12,000 naira currently, and there are several ways you can actually make money from OP. So the first one, I'll be going straight down. You look at this this box below. What do they even call it again? Is it I've forgotten the name. I don't think it's status bar, something like that below, where you see home, rewards, finance, cards, and me, right? So you go to this reward section. Go to the reward section. Now, if you use your OP, like you use it for transaction consistently, right? You have a daily cashback. You have cashback voucher up to 10 naira to 20 naira. But if you continuously use it to increase, so before I started with 5 naira, now it has increased to 20 naira. So if I just click here to get, you see, congratulations, you've earned plus 5 naira, right? So you can see. Then you see there are several other bonuses you can actually get. So you can see here, you can earn 500 naira instantly if you transact with an OP card. So if you have an OP card, you or maybe you created the OP account recently, right? And you don't have an OP card, you can request for an OP card for free. And once you get it, right, they'll ship it down to your address. A delivery guy will ship it down to your address, and once you get it, what happens is that now you transact with it, go to a POS or go to a POS and try to withdraw any amount of money. You're going to get 500 naira instantly. So how you do it is just to click on this go here. Once you click on the go, you'll be told what and what you can do. You can see transact and earn 500 naira for your first POS transaction. Get it. So how you can get it is find any POS terminal like I explained, enter your PIN 4 times, get your 500 naira cashback instantly upon your first POS transaction. Then the second one is you can actually buy airtime and earn at least 3% of what of the airtime you bought. So let's say you bought an airtime of 100 naira, right, on your OP. From your OP, right, you're going to be getting 3 naira bonus. If you buy 1,000 naira, you'll be getting 30 naira. If you buy 10,000 naira airtime, you'll be getting 300 naira from the OP platform, right, for just airtime. Then also the same thing also applies to data, right? Also applies to data. See it here. The same thing also applies to data. You can see. So if you buy 200 MB for 200 naira, you'll be earning 6 naira cashback. If you buy 1 gig for 300 naira, you'll be earning 9 naira cashback. If you also buy 20 gig for 5,000 naira, you'll be earning 150 naira cashback. So those are some of the ways you can actually use to make money from OP. So now this is just the first section. There's several other ways. I've just mentioned 3 ways you can actually make money from OP without this. This one does not even require any referrals, right? It does not require any referrals. You can actually be making money for yourself, and you can get what you want, right? So let me still show you this airtime section. Let me see. This is the airtime section, right? So I think it's not showing you, but when you want to pay for it, you can actually see for this 100 naira, you'll be getting 3 naira cashback. For 1,000 naira, you'll be getting 30 naira cashback. For 2,000 naira, you'll be getting 60 naira cashback. As simple and as easy as that, right? Now, let me also go to other ways you can actually make money from the Opay platform. Well, now you go to the switch over to the finance section. So if I click on the finance section, you see something like this. So there are several categories here. There is O wealth, there's target, there's save box, there's fixed, there's spend and save, there's savings report, right? Now for this O wealth, what happens in O wealth is just like a fixed deposit, right? So you can come and save, you can choose to save your money depending on the amount of money you want to save. Maybe you don't want to use it instantly, right? And you don't want to yes, you don't want to use it and you want to just keep it so that it will be generating interest for you. What you can do is you can come and put it here, right? So let's say it says here, this old wealth says enjoy daily returns of enjoy daily returns and withdraw at any time, right? Up to okay, this is not fixed. This old wealth is not fixed. Sorry, it's not fixed. So you can just put your money and be generating interest, right? You'll be earning interest daily, right? So if you don't want to use the money, maybe you want to use the money like weekend. Today is Monday. You want to use it maybe on Friday, right? You can just keep it here instead of leaving it in your Opay account, in your just in your wallet account. You can just leave it here, right? And what will happen is that it will be generating interest for you, and you can get up to, if you leave it for a year, you can get up to 15% per annum. So let's say you eventually saved like 10,000 naira for a year, right? You can be getting up to 1,500 naira. You can get up to 1,500. You can get up to 1,500 naira if you actually left it for a year. So imagine you leave something bigger than that, right? This is just saving, and you are aware that our banks, right, and Nigerian banks actually pay such amount of interest. The highest interest you can make per annum is really is I think is between 1% to 2%, right? I don't even think it's even up to one to 2%, right? So that is it. Then here also you can get this other section is the target section. So you can see this money I have here is in my O wealth section, and I've been generating a lot of interest. You can see the interest here. You can see 4 naira, 0.6 naira, severally, right? So those are some of the ways you can actually make money from the OP platform without withdrawing. This is O wealth. So the next one is this save box, right? So this one here is just like a colo box where you put your money in. This one here you are saving it, right? And it's actually very strict. It's not like the old one which is flexible. You can decide to withdraw your money anytime. This one is safe box. You have to set a fixed time you want to keep your money. So you can choose to keep it for 7 days, 14 days, 20 days, or a month, or 2 weeks, or just depending on the time you want. So what happens is you can deposit money anytime, right? So if you want to be saving every week, right? What happens is that it's going to be automatic. If you want it to be automatic, you connect you can connect your bank account where you have money, so that the money will be withdrawn from there down to this wallet. You can deposit it anytime. You can do it manually, right? You can send money to this. So says yes, deposit anytime, save daily, weekly, or monthly, and enjoy up to 4 free weekly withdrawal days yearly. Right. So now what happens with this one is that you are not allowed to withdraw like almost every time. You give it like 4 times you can withdraw. So let's say you want to save like for a year, right? You want to save for a year, right? And you have constantly saved from January, February, March, April, May, June, and you have an emergency, you can withdraw. That's one time. Then you save again till maybe August. You can still withdraw. You save again to maybe September. You can still withdraw. You save again to December. You can withdraw. That's 4 times, right? But you have to do it judiciously. It's not going to be like any random kind of action, right? And you earn high returns, 15% annual interest. This is one of the biggest interest you can ever get from any online bank ever. You hardly get 50, even 10% is actually very, very hard. Like 10% per year is actually very hard. Even our Nigerian banks don't, traditional banks don't do that, right? So you can actually make money and it's secure, so you don't have any issue, right? All you just need to do is to come. If you want to use the save bus, just come here, click on the icon there, and you come here where you see proceed, click on the proceed, then you follow the instructions, right? You can use auto save the deposit. You connect it to your bank account where there's always money, and it will be doing automatic withdrawal for you, right? Then again, so that one here is the fixed section. This is another way you can actually make money. And yeah, you earn money upfront, right? You earn money upfront. So let's say I can see here, I've done it several times. This 20,000 I saved it. I think that was in March or February, and I got it back um, on the 21st of May, right? I earned 205 naira interest. Yeah, I earn 30 naira interest. Yeah, I earn 60 naira interest. Yeah, I earn 46 naira interest, right? Just by saving my money. And this interest was paid me upfront, right? So I saved my money and they paid me the interest even before. So unlike the other savings program where you save and your interest is paid to you the day your capital will be paid to you. Yeah, you get paid your interest first before you get paid your interest the day you just saved instantly, right? So depending on how much you want to save, the interest increases, the more money you save, right? And as you do this consistently, you can actually be making money for yourself. So you can see them several. Yeah, it's fixed, right? So you choose if you want to save for a month, it's going to be for that month. The money will not be given to you until the day you set, right? So you have to take note of that. You have to know what you want to do if you are coming here, because once you save here, you cannot withdraw the money until the time you want to set out. It's actually very good for those who have a high spending spending test and they want to cut it, they want to curb it, right? And here you can get up to 18%. This is the highest, I think 18% per annum, right? From this fixed savings, right? If you save for about a year, you earn 10%. Then here is spend and save, right? This one is for those who want who are casual spenders, right? So they want to be able to spend and also save. So yeah, what happens is that it helps you save towards maybe if you want to buy a home, you want to pay rent, you want to buy a car, whichever one. You can earn as you spend, right? You save a percentage every time you spend. So if you want to spend, let's say 10,000 naira, what happens? You set a percentage you want to save. So let's say you want to spend 10,000 naira and you have around 10,500 or 11,000, right? What happens is that it will take out, when you want to spend, you can take out the 10,000 naira, but 1,000 naira will remain, right? And that 1,000 naira will be sent to your savings account and you can be earning high returns of up to 15% per annum, right? It's actually very, very great. So those are some of the very few, those are some, I think about 8 to 9 ways you can actually um, make money from OP without actually referring anybody. So that's what I wanted to share with you in this video, and I believe it's going to this video have helped you so far. So if this video have helped you, just make sure you click the like button so that other people can also find this video. And again, make sure you turn on the bell icon so that you can actually get notified once I release more videos about how you can make money online for yourself and from your smartphone. Very, very easy. So see you guys in the next video.